everyone, it's Emma. I'm doing another video for you on Luxebeautypeterborough YouTube channel. Today we have a very interesting video coming up. Obviously we're still all quarantining, not allowed to see anybody. So Abbie set me a challenge. So my challenge is I have like a lucky dip of sorts, and as Abbie calls it, a bogey prize. She means a booby prize. So basically, I haven't even gone through this because I wanted to do it like all on camera. I literally picked it up almost like a week ago, but I'm busy eating chocolate and playing The Sims. So is Abbie, I think. So ta-da! This is my lucky dip bundle. So I'm just going to go through it all. I'm not going to open anything just yet because obviously that's the whole point of the game. So we have 2 envelopes, like labelled 1 and 2 for like my whole makeup routine. So for example, we have lips 1 and 2. You can see that. And 2. So basically I have to choose either, I was like 2 and 1 and 2. I have to choose one of these 2 when it comes to it. There's going to be like a crazy colourful one inside, i.e. the bogey prize, and then one that's like a nice colour, and I just have to make it all work. I also have some new foundations because I've been in the sun and then also not in the sun and then also not really outside, but then also laying in the sun a lot more than normal. I just have glue on my eyelash, I'm really sorry. It's hard. It's really hard out here, guys. I'm not really sure my skin colour right now, so I just have a few NCWs to see if they work. But I think I'm going to open the envelopes right now so that I can just line them up and be like, otherwise if I'm doing it step by step, I don't know. So I guess we will start with the most exciting one, I feel, pigment 1 or 2. So it's either this one or this one. I'm going to go with number 2. Definitely, I'm opening it, so this is it. Okay. This is an ingot. Ingot is my favourite. I sure as hell I'm going to swatch it for you. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, it's very nice. It's like a mauvey kind of purpley goldy shimmery look. It's very nice, very nice. So this is my choice. I'm going to open choice number 1 just so you can see what could have been. A MAC. A MAC. It is a MAC, everybody. It's MAC Tan Pigment. Very cute. It's more of like a rosy gold, bronzy kind of colour. They're not far off, but I actually like the ingot one. It's more exciting. This one, I may have swatched it a bit better, so it's a bit more pigmented. So anyway, this is one I've not chosen, pigment number 1, so this goes back in the envelope. I'm going to go with bottom liner 1 or 2. 1 or 2. I am going to go with, again, 2. I'm liking number 2. 1 is the loneliest number. Maybe 2 then, I'm not sure, but I don't want that one. Oh, I have a lovely brown colour. Beautiful for my bottom liner. Okay, I guess I'll make that work. I'll try my best. So what could have been bottom liner? What could have been... Oh, it is a pig. Oh. I'm not quite sure we could have made that work anyway with what I've chosen, but I would have tried. But I guess that was my booby prize. So I'm just going to put that one back. Next we're going to go, there is no order to this, I'm just opening them as my hands grab them. So there's the inner corner 1 and 2. What do we want? I will go with number 2 again. I just love number 2. I think next one I should pick number 1 no matter what it is, to just mix it up a little bit. But I'd like to change my answer engraving. No, I'm not allowed. I have this lovely green that I have picked for inner corner highlight. Not only a green, a neon green. Let me swatch this one for you, everybody, just in case you couldn't see it. yes, this is the colour we will be putting on my inner corner. I mean, we potentially could have made it work if we were more neutrally, but I just... Look at already those three next to each other that I've picked. I'm not choosing number 2 ever again. Let's see what could have been. I'm just gonna smear green with everything. For God's sake, I could have had a lovely vanilla. I would. Oh, that's so nice as well. We almost made it, everybody. We almost made it. Transition number 1 or 2, I very explicitly said I'm never doing number 2 ever again. Well, right now, so I'm going to go with number 1. This is the one I'm picking because number 2 ruined my life. Oh, we have a lovely Bobby brown in the transition in a nice little brown colour. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Beautiful. Can make that work, I think. Let's see what could have been. Number 2. Okay. Oh, and it is very vulgar because it's like an orangey colour. We could, potentially, it's fine. Not picking number 2 is don't be good. Right, top liner. I'm gonna go with number 2. I'm gonna take a risk. See if it pays off. This is just instant regret. We have this lovely Peggy Sage. Oh, it is lovely, but with everything going on. Oh, I do love a bit of blue though. This is 100% not going to work, but we're sure as hell gonna try. Number 2, done me dirty once again. Let's see what could have been. Top liner. Oh, now we have a lovely black MAC. I just keep picking the wrong things. Right, lips. I'm just not going to feel it because I just think feeling it is a bad idea. But I'm going to go with number 1 again because number 2 keeps doing me dirty. We have a NYX lingerie, lip lingerie in satin ribbon. It's a nice neutral colour. It's fine. Let's see what number 2 is. Let's see if this would have done me dirty. Oh, I love NARS. I mean, it would have been a very crazy look, but this is Scandal. And obviously, oh, it's like a, oh, I like that because it's like a gloss. Oh yeah, I kind of wish I picked it. Love that. Okay, so that was everything in the dip. Just to recap, so transition shade, Bobby Brown, a nice camel 5 will make this work. Lips, top liner, inner corner highlight, lovely. Pigment, bottom liner, brown. Right, so these are my supplies. I'm going to try and make this work. I'm going to try and make this look nice. Please pray for me. Wet my blender. Gonna have a sip of water because this is going to be a lot. I should have made that alcoholic to get me through this. Obviously done my brows, my base. Now I'm going to go in with the transition shade. Wish me luck, everybody. My brushes are dirty as always. I'm going to definitely clean them after this. 100%. I'm actually really glad that this isn't the orange, because that would not have been good. I'm already kind of half defeated because of that, because of this. I'm just like, with the blue, potentially we could have had something, but you know what? We just be struggling out here. I bet she snug that in, like hoping I would get it. Because in hindsight, it wouldn't be good. It wouldn't be a good video if I had all the nice stuff. I was just making a nice look. I do my makeup way too fast. I just make loads of mistakes, and you can kind of like set with it because it's your own face. But when you do a client, obviously it's a lot slower and controlled, and with my own face I just whack it on. I'm like, yeah, that'll be fine. Just a darker brown shade. And I'm gonna kind of use it in my crease slash my outer corner because I am lazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a messy cat crease and a moment of truth. This is actually worse than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be okay. Does anyone else always like lose their brushes or put them down for like a second, and then as soon as you look, they've grown legs, started a family, moved to Texas, got a couple of dogs, kids are off to college. What a life, and then all of a sudden they come back. I'm just gonna get right to it and do this blue liner. It is actually very, very cute, but let's do this. I actually don't hate it. I know the green's gonna come in here and mess everything up, but like, it's obviously not conventional. I look it. Do I like it? I'm not sure. Do I respect it? Yes. I respect the colour blue and I respect the liner, but I don't really particularly have the eyes for winged liner I'm now discovering, so I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom liner. Try and make this all come together. I feel like it works, you know. Not as harsh as black. It goes with the transition shade. Look out the difference in smudging the liner and putting shadow under your eyes to not doing it. It just looks so much better. So much better. I'm gonna do, I've decided, the inner corner highlight last because I want you all to see what could have been. Like, this would not have been so bad. And if I'd have got that vanilla MAC pigment, I think we could have made it. I might give NW13 a go. You know what, so far it's really not that bad, and I think I'm gonna do the lips. Oh no, I've got colour on my hands. Oh well. The lips before the inner corner highlight. I'm actually gonna fill in my hairline to see if it works well. It's working swimmingly. How distracted I get. Oh, I haven't even put any bloody lashes on, guys. guys, my lips are done. I'm just about to do the finishing touch. I'm not sure how bad this is gonna go. Here we go. I mean, I was about to say it's not terrible, but I've just looked at myself in the mirror and I'm like, yeah, it is a little bit terrible. So that's me done, guys. That was my leg dip. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun to do. I could make this more pigmented, but I feel like it'll ruin it. So please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to us. We post videos every Monday and sometimes throughout the week if we're feeling generous, and then also press the bell and you'll get notified whenever we do post. If you don't already, please follow us on Instagram. I'll link it here or down below, wherever. And follow us to see more. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Look at my goodness. Sometimes we hold on to let go. Let's anyone else dance to the credits when it comes on, because I don't want to watch it. Sometimes we hold on to let go, let go, let go. I don't want to clean any of this up now.